Hello guys, how are you all doing? Today we're gonna be making some chicken stew. So I have my chicken right here and I've already pre-seasoned it and I kept it overnight so that way I can have all that, spicy and everything in there. So I'm gonna be showing you guys my seasoning that I use. So over here I have my garlic powder. I had seasoned salt, onion powder, and I have my layers, so you can use whatever seasoning of your choice, and I have my salt. Okay. So guys, this is the finishing touch with our stew or curry powder stew. So with this, like I said, you can have with rice,